Bugün Bogota'daki ilk günümüz. 24 katılımcı firmamızla Bogota'daki tüm süpermarket zincirlerini, retail store'larını gezme fırsatı bulduk.
I'm very happy that Turkish Houseware Association, with the participation of 24 firms in that sector from Turkey, organized this event in Bogota, Colombia.
And Colombian market is very important for us. As a Turkish houseware industry, we have very good products, we have very competitive price, we have very good design. That's the reason I believe that we will be successful in Latin American markets.
I'm really happy to be here. It helped a lot. I find new suppliers, very quality suppliers. I'm really enjoy it. People very nice, and the organization is impeccable.